In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Freshbooks subscription. Managing finances for your business can sometimes feel like navigating a river, with Freshbooks as your helpful raft along the way. But there comes a time when you might need to dock that raft and move on. If you're at that point and looking to cancel your Freshbooks subscription, you're in the right place. I'll guide you, step by step, making the process as smooth as possible. Firstly, let's head over to Freshbooks. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the official Freshbooks website. This platform has been a reliable ally for many in handling their business finances, but if it's no longer serving your needs, accessing their site is the first step toward cancellation. Once you're on the Freshbooks page, you'll want to log into your account to make any changes. Look for the login option. Clicking this will take you to the sign in page, where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is your gateway to accessing and managing your Freshbooks account settings, including subscription details. For those who have linked their Google account with Freshbooks, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. It's a quick way to access your account without remembering an extra password. Just click on it and you'll be directed to choose the Google account you've used for Freshbooks. When clicking sign in with Google, ensure you choose the correct account. Once selected, hit enter and voila, you're in. This handy integration simplifies the login process, especially for those juggling multiple accounts and passwords. Now that you're logged in, locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the Freshbooks dashboard. This is where your personal and account settings are nestled. Clicking on your profile photo reveals several options, including your account settings and subscription details. Among the options available, find and click on Billing and Upgrade. This section holds all the information about your current subscription, including billing cycles, plan details, and more importantly, the option to make changes to your subscription. As you navigate the Billing and Upgrade section, you'll need to scroll to the bottom of the page. It's here Freshbooks discreetly places the option to cancel your subscription. They certainly don't make it the centerpiece of the page, but it's there, waiting for those who decide to part ways. Upon finding it, click on Cancel Your Account. This action doesn't immediately cut ties with Freshbooks. They'll ask you to confirm your decision. This is a safety net, ensuring you don't cancel your subscription by accident. Click on Continue to Cancel to proceed with your cancellation. Once you've confirmed your intention to cancel, Freshbooks will likely ask for feedback on why you're leaving. This step is optional, but providing feedback can help them understand how to improve their services for others. After this step, your subscription will be cancelled. As we've walked through these steps, remember that cancelling a subscription is a decision that impacts how you manage your business finances. Freshbooks has been a trusted companion for many, so if you're unsure whether cancelling is the right move, consider reaching out to their support team for guidance. They may offer solutions that fit your needs better than outright cancellation. Also, keep in mind that, depending on your billing cycle, you might still have access to Freshbooks until the end of your current billing period. It's worth checking out what features you can utilise until then, and ensuring all your financial data is backed up or exported. That concludes our guide on cancelling your Freshbooks subscription. Whether you're streamlining your business operations, shifting to a different platform, or simply cutting costs, knowing how to navigate these waters is essential. We hope this video has provided you with a clear path to cancelling your subscription, should you need to. For more helpful guides like this, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Happy navigating.